This Tuesday morning, GIFT Nifty is comfortably above the dotted lines. Interestingly, BJP's historic win Delhi Assembly election did not provide any bullish direction. Also, the RBI reducing interest rates for the first time in the last 5 years, with the repo rate now coming down to 6.25% versus 6.5% earlier, did not bring any cheer to the bulls camp at Dalal Street in Friday's trade. Hopefully, Nifty's bullish start on backdrop of improving leads from Wall Street helps bulls to regroup at Dalal Street in today's trade. Fingers crossed. Strictly speaking, outflows from Indian equities are seen increasing and weigh on sentiments. This calendar year so far, FIIs have sold to the tune of rupees 99,927 crores. Long story short, as long as FIIs return to their buying desk, caution should be the buzzword at Dalal Street. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 2464 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of rupees 1516 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating bullish consolidation day on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.44 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand at 87.60. Nifty PCR, 27 February, is at 1.00 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27 February, is at 0.82. Nifty outlook. We will spy with one big eye if today's bounce is mere a dead cat bounce. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,382 udas smiley. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,171 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,619 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,200 and 23500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 49,981. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 49,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,700 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,500 and 50,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Need to know. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Paris, France, on a 3-day trip which began on Monday, where he will join French President Macron in Paris to co-chair the AI Action Summit. All eyes will be on PM Modi's travel to the United States, where he will hold talks with President Donald Trump to enhance India's cooperation. The discussions with President Trump will focus on supply chain resilience, trade, technology, energy, and defense. Meanwhile, the US President Donald Trump's plans to impose a 25% tariff on all steel and aluminium imports into the America, which could threaten nearly $1 billion worth of Indian exports. Source: Money Control. The attention this week will also shift to US inflation data, with the US CPI, retail inflation, to trickle in this Wednesday, February 12th, and the PPI, wholesale inflation, on Thursday, February 13th. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today: Lupin, Burger Paints, Vodafone Idea, IRCTC, SAIL. Apollo Hospitals Q3 FY25 results. Apollo Hospitals posted a third quarter profit of 51.8% year-on-year at 372.3 crore rupees. Grasim Industries Ltd reported a net loss of ₹168.70 crore for the quarter ending 31 December 2024, as the company continued to face pressures in its cellulosic fibers and chemicals segments from Chinese imports, hurting realizations.